Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. What's the difference between a regular rim cylinder and a Kawneer cylinder? Well, the difference is that a Kawneer cylinder is this one here, and it actually has a screw thread that goes all the way around. The next difference is the back, the way the lock operates, the way the back of the cylinder operates the lock. So this one here has a cam action. So what you would do for this cylinder here is screw it all into place, and you would screw it in from the front and then tighten up a screw on the side to tighten it, and then your cylinder would be installed. That's what is called a Kawneer cylinder. We don't use them a lot in Australia. They're generally used for sliding bifold doors or American mortise locks, which have been brought over here, but generally speaking we don't use them a lot. A regular 2-in-1 cylinder looks the same from the front, but they are different. When you get your lock apart, you'll see the thread on the side, and that's how you identify them as being different. Also, a standard rim cylinder uses a tail and 2 screws at the back. As you can see here, completely different the way they operate the lock. So that's what a Kawneer cylinder is, and that's what a rim lock cylinder is. So now you can purchase correctly. Thanks for watching.